Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable personalized ads on your XIAOMI Box TV Box 3S. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then open All Settings menu and scroll down to Privacy. Here in the Privacy section, select Ads, then first reset advertising ID, then click Confirm, and then delete advertising ID to delete your advertising ID and not receive any personalized ads. And now all the ads that you will get on your TV will not be personalized. To apply settings, we can also hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and select Restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.